accredited private importers traders.
No.
Yes, Mr. President.
We cannot accept that. We don't want
Alright.
NFA to buy from private importers. The purpose kung hindi mababa ang pagkabili, kaya nga government to government without tariff para bumaba ang price of the imports, kasi this is meant to solve the high prices of rice in the country.
I appreciate that, Mr. President. Naghahanap lang ako ng mechanism na kasabay ng negotiated na G2G importation, may kahit papaanong measure ng transparency and public information. Sabi nga ng good sponsor, ipapublish ito. Saan po at paano ito ipapublish? Para
Maybe
malaman
you
ng
can
publiko?
make an amendment that we should publish
Salamat.
the importation. Emergency importation magkano, so that the people will know.